So in my previous video tutorial, I showed you how to make this type of M.C.Escher style, the pop-up card. So today, as a kind of a series, we're going to make something similar, but a little bit complicated. It's a kind of a doubled steps, like a stairways. See the difference? So we're going to make this one today. Okay. So please print out the template file I provided, my link, and then I printed that template as a PDF file on the cardstock paper. Okay, so I will do the same thing as I did last time. All horizontal lines printed in black, solid black line will be cut like a slit, and all vertical lines, short dotted line and long dashed line, will be folding. So I will score with this owl. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, so I'm done with all cuttings and then all scorings for folding, so you can check the other side. Okay, so I'm going to start folding. Okay, the same way, same procedure as we did last time. I'm going to fold these two longest lines like a V shape. I'm going to push it down. Always, it's easier to fold it from the other side. Here and here, little by little, as always, not at a time. No rush. Slowly. And then I'm going to start from this end here. So my left thumb hold here, my right thumb hold here, maybe here, like this. Okay, and then push down with your left thumb, and then with your index finger behind your very bottom step, push up like this. Just little by little, not at a time. Okay, since we scored and then we cut all horizontal lines already, it is not that hard. I'm going to repeat the same step on the other side. Push, little harder, push, there we go. You can see that. So always start from the bottom, that's easier. Okay, and a little more. And then since I have some kind of basic structure, you can see that. Now I just need to fold a little harder. Place it on your table like we did last time. See? And do the same thing. Okay. And you will feel, in certain point, you're going to feel the moment I call a moment. We're getting in there. I just repeat the same steps, but I'm getting a little harder, push harder. Alrighty, I think we're almost there. On this side and on this side. There we go. Okay, I think we're all set. Let me open it. Interior, inside of this folding, and exterior, outside. It is more like the M.C.Escher style, optical illusion. So the first one we did last video, there was this, and today we did this one. Okay. So next time we're going to do something more interesting. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.